Sup sup! Welcome to Market Open Update. It is currently 9:45, 15 minutes past market open. Guess what? Spiders up 0.4%. Qs almost 0.5%. Let's see if we can break through this resistance over here and continue the breakout for the rest of the day. Remember, always to be nimble. But this is very surprising after yesterday's tragic opening day to the 2021 market. Remember, yesterday's market sell-off was caused by fund managers de-risking because of upcoming volatile events this week. However, we see a healthy bounce today. The market did not continue to sell off, and there is a bounce. That speaks to strength in the market. People are willing to buy even after yesterday's sell-off, and especially considering this volatile week. Remember, Senate runoffs today, Tuesday, FOMC later this week, more jobs numbers later this week. So right now we currently see a healthy bounce. And if you look at the YouTube watch list, it's a sea of green. Everything is going up today. So what does this mean? It means cover up P time. Remember, we told you to short. When you see the general market direction going up, that trumps everything. That means cover your shorts. Remember to cover P time, cover TTD. And then guess what? My positions are all green. And CRM just turned red, but I don't really mind that because if you look at the chart, we're exactly at bottom resistance. You look at my position. I entered exactly at the bottom. I'm waiting for this to bounce up and take some profit off the table. I'm up over 1 grand on Micron and a bit on LULU as well. Let's go into Micron more specifically. So after yesterday's brutal candle, there was a 6% delta intraday. What this means, even though it went down negative 5%, it was up 4% in the morning. That was a tragic day because the market pushed its breakout down. Usually in a false breakout like this, you see more downward action. However, why is today green? Today it's green because there were 3 major upgrades coming in for Micron. RBC, the Royal Bank of Canada, upgraded Micron to a buy rating, and also Citibank upgraded Micron also, and Deutsche Bank also upgraded Micron, citing increased DRAM demand and also favorable tailwinds for DRAM pricing, as well as Micron earnings coming up. And historically, whenever Micron has earnings, its stock runs up. So it looks like we have temporarily avoided disaster for Micron. This was an ugly candle, remember. And everything went up today. It continued to break out, so that shows strength. Currently, the MACD is turning negative, so I might exit out of a few positions here, but I'll do that later after this video. Temporarily right now, it's just noise. However, I expect it to bounce around this level, which was the pre-market. It was a pre-market high. We see this candle here, so that's a crucial support. I'm not ready toward it right now. However, let's look at other stocks. Ooh, we see spiders and Qs starting selling off. The MACD is selling off. However, I expect a bounce because yesterday's sell-off, it was basically fierce volatility. I got an alert for LULU. Let's see what it is today. Oh, it crossed my alert point. It's continuing to go up. Look at this line I drew perfectly. I set alert here. When it crosses, it bounces. All right. So what do we expect for the rest of the day? We expect continued strength, barring any major bad news. Because yesterday was too big of a flush for the volatility this week. So today we see a minor bounce. However, what does this say for the rest of the week? We don't know. We need to continue monitor the markets. So that's pretty much for a midday update. Remember, oh, look at CHWY over here. Oof. Setting up a base. Is this ready to bounce? Not sure. Well, it depends on the volume today. For example, growth stocks like CHWY, like I mentioned before, we want to see strength. We want to see volume. Look at the volume right now. So low. We want to see high volume breaking out the previous consolidation high. So it's around what? 92, 93. We wanted to see CHWY break 93 to see continued uptrend. This does not mean stocks like CHWY and Piton are going to go up, right? It just means the market is currently going up. Micron cross. Do I need to sell here? Nah, it's okay. I can just sit here. Remember, for CHWY and other growth stocks, this does not mean it's going to be a permanent bounce. It means currently the market is holding it up, not this sector specifically. The strength does not come from this sector specifically, as we see further going down. However, if you want to cover now, feel free, because there's volatility coming up. So be careful. Anyway, also look at FUBO. This is the key. I'm going to do a video on this later today. 2 videos today. That's right. You're lucky. As we see after quite a few days of 15% days, negative 15% days, FUBO finally went up 16% today. Bounced as we saw earlier. It hit support and now it's bounced back to its normal consolidation level. Let's drag this down, look at more specifics. Right, it's going back to this level. Pay attention to the yellow line I drew earlier. I drew even before it hit this. It hit this resistance because that was a previous high before this massive run up and massive run down. More information coming on FUBO later today. However, keep an eye on this stock as you can see a potential massive bounce. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. Another alert. What is this? LULU is just consolidating at this yellow support line. As expected, as we see, that was a previous resistance. It wants to sit here, now acting as support. So anyway, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'm going to start doing more of these live videos too, because, you know, you're trading during the day. You want some updates during the day, not just after hours. So that's it, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Well, later today for the FUBO video.